Alright, and this is like part 3 of the donuts. They're ready to come out. Thanks, camera. Alright. Put them on a paper towel to dry. I hate this camera sometimes. Eats batteries like it's nothing. Oh no, this one is stuck. Wonderful. Since these came out a little smaller than what I was expecting, I should have used grands, but oh well. They're gonna be mini donuts. Like I said, they get brown pretty fast. So when you start seeing them change color, turn them over fast. Alright. And I have my sugar ready already with the cinnamon and whatnot, and when they're finished being iced, I will take a picture. Goodbye.